नाज़रीन, बजट में सबकी निगाहें इनकम टैक्स स्लैब में इजाफा किए जाने पर थीं, लेकिन इस सिलसिले में कोई वाज़े ऐलान वज़ीर ख़जाना निर्मला सीतारमन ने नहीं किया। हाँ, उन्होंने कानून के तहत टैक्स चार्टर लाने की बात ज़रूर कही, साथ ही लोगों के दिलों से टैक्स का डर निकालने की भी बात उन्होंने कही। निर्मला सीतारमन ने यह भी कहा कि टैक्स के सिलसिले में किसी को परेशान भी नहीं किया जाएगा।
An important aspect of both ease of living and ease of doing business is fairness, efficiency of tax administration. We wish to enshrine, this is important, Honorable Speaker. This is important, sir. Money being allocated to various programs is finance of this country. This is very important, sir. Businesses should have the confidence that things are being fair and the efficiency of the tax administration. We wish to enshrine in the statutes a taxpayer charter through this budget. A taxpayer charter is getting institutionalized into the statutes. It's going to be enshrined as a part of our laws. That's building trust. A taxpayer statutes will be a part of a taxpayer's charter will be a part of our statutes. Our government would like to reassure taxpayers that we remain committed to taking measures so that our citizens are free from harassment of any kind. We mean it, and we are willing to put it in the law. Tax harassment cannot be tolerated when we are talking about citizens and wealth collectors. There has been a debate about building into statutes criminal liability for acts that are civil in nature. This is important, sir. There has been a debate about building into statutes criminal liability for acts that are civil in nature. Hence, for Companies Act, certain amendments are proposed to be made that will correct this. Similarly, other laws would also be examined where such provisions exist, and attempts would be made to correct them also.
जम्मू कश्मीर की तरक्की के लिए बड़ा ऐलान किया है। हुकूमत ने जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए 30,757 करोड़ रुपए का बजट मुख्तस किया है। मरकजी वज़ीर ख़जाना निर्मला सीतारमन ने आज लोकसभा में इस बात का ऐलान किया और कहा कि हुकूमत नई यूनियन टेरिटरीज लद्दाख और जम्मू कश्मीर की तरक्की के अहद की पाबंद है।
Fully committed to supporting the all-round development of the newly formed Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and the Union Territory of Ladakh. Accordingly, an amount of 30,757 crore has been provided for the financial year 2020-21. Due to these measures in the short run, I am certain that our economy will reap huge returns on this score in due course. So one quick verse from Raghuvamsa, written by Kalidasa. Prajanam eva bhutyartham sattabhyo balim agrahit. Prajanam eva bhutyartham sattabhyo balim agrahit. Sahasra gunam utsrashtam adatte hi rasam ravihi. Surya, the sun, collects vapor from little drops of water. He collects only from little drops of water. So does the king. They give back copiously. They collect these from the people only for their well-being. So the collection of taxes or the vapor from the water drops are only from small trickles, but they all go back to the people manifold. So the purpose of taxation and also the way in which it is done has been voiced even then. And this in Raghuvamsa refers to the Purvaja or the elders belonging to Ikshvaku dynasty, father of Ayodhyapati Rama, Dilip, grandfather. It refers to Dilip, the king. So in continuation of the reform measures already taken so far,